Hi, this is Brittany Olson, and I am doing the Lincoln film, and I wanted to focus on Lincoln himself and if he was accurately portrayed in this film. The Lincoln film was pretty on point as far as how we would think Lincoln to be, but the people around him were not portrayed accurately. With that said, I'd like to focus on Lincoln himself and the accurate facts within this movie. This movie was a true insight into his personality and character. His law partner for 16 years, William Herndon, found him the most, quote, unquote, shut-mouthed man who ever lived. I think this speaks volumes to the kind of person we see in this movie. Lincoln didn't write a lot of letters or diaries, which leaves a lot to our imaginations. This film definitely tries to portray him in the best suited way possible, considering the lack of personal documentations from Lincoln. Daniel Day-Lewis, the actor that plays Lincoln, hits perfectly on Lincoln's voice. A high-pitched and raspy texture can be heard with vague traces of a Southern Indian drawl. Not to mention, the wary, introverted, and exhausted look of the president is clearly seen throughout every scene. This man worked long hours, and you never see him taking a day off. He is constantly thinking and working through every possible angle in his head. You can tell his mind weighs heavily upon him day in and day out, and a level of stress is seen. From what I saw in the film, personally, he seemed very quiet and subdued, tired, but also very gentle and kind and charismatic. So in conclusion, I would have to say, based off this film and the article written about the accuracy of it, that Lincoln was a well-respected, driven, and honorable president, who by no means was perfect, but most certainly a commendable human being of his time.